Hello and welcome to Nikolai's genetics lessons, and today's problem going to be about genetics and application of law of probability. And here is a problem in dihybrid cross of the heterozygous pea plant with purple flowers and round seeds. And here is the genotype of this plant. What is the probability? And here is 4 questions. As usual, I recommend you to pause video here, try to solve each question, give an answer to each question on your own first, and when you would be ready you can run video again and you can compare your answers with my answers and explanations. Basically what we start with, we cross one genotype with another same genotype. So one parent would be capital P small p, capital R small r, and we have to cross with the same genotype or self-pollinate. So capital P small p and capital R small r. As you see, we have two genes here. One gene is P and another gene is R. And in diploid organism, of course, all the genes present in two copies. As you see, both these genes are present in heterozygous form. So instead of making large table that is going to be 4 by 4 cells, so total 16 cells, I'm going to show you today the easiest way to solve this problem. And as you remember, in dihybrid cross, the ratios that we are going to get would be 9 to 3 to 3 and to 1. And this is phenotypic ratio. But today's question about genotypic ratios, because nothing in the problem said that these two genes are linked, meaning that these two genes on the same chromosome, we have to consider that these two genes are on the separate chromosomes and they would independently segregate. That means that we can build two Punnett squares, finding probability what genotypic outcome would be if we cross this locus with this locus and this locus, or this gene with this locus, and heterozygous state of the gene. So let me build a Punnett square. So capital P and small p here, capital P and small p here. So if we cross two parents that is heterozygous, we are going to get the following ratios in the progeny. So capital P here, capital P and small p here, capital P and small p here, and small p here. So if we cross this locus with this locus, both of them are heterozygous. So once again, capital R and small r, and capital R and small r for the second parent. The outcome of such a cross would be the same ratios in the progeny as in the previous example. So we would have capital R here, capital R small r here, capital R small r here, and small r here. So the same ratios. 1/4 is homozygous dominant, 50% or 1/2 or 2 out of 4 heterozygous, and 1 out of 4 or 25% is homozygous recessive. The same ratios are here. So now it's very easy to give an answer. For example, question A, the genotype that is capital P small p, capital R small r. Let's find the probability for the first gene P, to be heterozygous. And as you see, probability is 1/2. So let's put 1/2 for the first gene. And what is the probability for the second gene? R, to be also heterozygous. And as you see, probability is the same, 1/2. So this is 2 independent probabilities. And now, in order to find probability for these two probabilities to happen simultaneously, we have to use a product rule. So we have to multiply these two probabilities, and the answer would be 1/4. So next question, what is the probability for the genotype small p, and as you see, this is 1/4, so we put 1/4 here, and probability for the second gene to be in heterozygous state, and as you see, the probability is 1/2, so 1/2 here. Once again, we use product rule, and the probability would be 1/8. Next question, heterozygous for the gene P, and this is 1/2, and homozygous dominant for the gene R. As you see, probability is 1/4, so we have to multiply by 1/4, and the answer would be 1/8. And now, what is the probability for this genotype, that is small p? Small p, this is 1/4, and heterozygous genotype, that is 1/2. So the probability is 1/8. So as you see, there are some genotypes that is not listed here. For example, small p, and small r, we have to multiply 1/4 by 1/4. Or for example, capital P, and capital R, also 1/4, we have to multiply by 1/4. So as you see, this is very easy way how we can solve such problems. We don't have to build large table, and probabilities are easy to calculate. And this is all for today. Thank you for your attention. Please subscribe for my new videos that I post almost every day. Thumbs up if you like this video. Please write your comments, questions if you have any, and see you in the next video. Goodbye.